Hi everyone, Amy the Potter here, and I'm going to show you what to do if you cut through your bottom. And I could just get rid of it, but instead I want to use it. So there's a hole, whoops, that's all right. I'll just take a little bit of clay, maybe like a 1/4 pound. And just make a little pancake. Make a little mug foot. Make it exactly how you would make the bottom of your pot. And then I'll cut it closer to the size. About 3 inches. So 1.5 from the center. Like that. Pin tool. Get a little extra, a little wider than what I marked. Get rid of that excess. I think that's gonna be enough. I hope I made it thick enough. Oh boy. Sometimes it's that kind of day. Okay, then I'm gonna find my scoring rib. Spin the wheel. Score that. I don't think I need to do it on the inside. And I'm just gonna place my pot right there, right on it, centered. See how I did? Pretty good. Just fix that. Like that. I think that's good, yeah. And I'm just gonna use my hand and join it. Finger. If I could get down inside here, that'd be nice. Here, I'm gonna do a magic trick. So I can tell that that hole is too small for me to put my hand in. I can tell it is. But I'm gonna clean up my hand. This is Magic Week. I'm gonna put my hand down through that hole that my hand can't fit in. I learned this from things like mice and cats who can get it through, like tiny, especially mice. So here I go, I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna exhale and just go through, even though I can't. Even though I can't, I know I can. And I'm just fixing the bottom now. Just gently compressing while I'm in there. I'm gonna use my rib. I have to slow it down because my hand's starting to catch on the inside. So when that happens, you just slow it down. No big deal, no big deal. Oopsie. Okay, and then I gotta get my hand out again, just like a magician, just like a rat. Little rat medicine. Okay, now I do need to kind of recenter this and everything. A little nurturing. Okay, so let's see. Footer tool. Clean that up with my finger while I can. And cross our fingers that there's a bottom. Tight wire, yeah. And that's it. I just remade that bottom. So it takes a little time, but probably about the same amount of time it would take to remake the pot. And